Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Chic Babe cowl. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, and be familiar with the blanket stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains plus 3. I have already made 183 chains for my cowl. To start row 1, make 2 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. Now we're going to start our sequence. Skip 2 chains into the next one, make a single crochet and 2 double crochet all into the same chain together. Skip 2 chains into this next one, single crochet and 2 double crochet into the same chain together. Skip 2 chains into the next one, single crochet and 2 double crochet into the same chain all together. So now you can see how everything is looking. You're going to repeat this sequence of skipping 2 chains, making a single crochet and 2 double into the next chain until you reach the end of this row. Once you make it to the end of your row and you only have 2 chains left, skip 1 chain. Then into that last chain, work 1 single crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. We're going to immediately start our sequence. You're going to skip to the next single crochet in this row. Skip the first stitch. You're going to be skipping these 2 double crochet. This is a single crochet right here. Into that stitch, you're going to make that same sequence that we had been making, a single crochet and 2 double crochet all into that same stitch. So our sequence from our last row is staying the same. We're just working into stitches instead of chains. So we're going to skip 2 stitches now into this next one. So in this next single crochet, you're going to make a single crochet and then make 2 double crochet in that same stitch. Skip 2 stitches into this next one, single crochet and 2 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches into this next one, single crochet and 2 double crochet all into the same stitch together. So this is how everything is looking. You're going to repeat the sequence of skipping 2 stitches, then make a single and 2 double into this next stitch all together. You're going to repeat this until you reach the end of this row. So similar to how we had 2 chains left on our last row, when you get to the end of this row, you're going to have 2 stitches left. Skip 1 stitch. And then into the last stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for how wide you want your cowl. I'm going to continue on and come back when I'm ready to finish up my cowl. So this is how my cowl is looking. I ended up making 13 rows for my example cowl. Once you get to how wide you want your cowl, you're going to cut your yarn and leave a long yarn tail so you can sew up the ends of your cowl together to join them. So you're going to fasten off and just bring that yarn through. And then you're going to use it to just sew up. You can slip stitch across however you want to do it to join these ends together. Now what you can do is lay it flat so you have the ends flat together and then sew along here. Or you can take one of them and flip them over And that's going to give you this little twist right here, and that gives your cowl more of an infinity cowl kind of feel. So it's however you want to do it. So that is going to be how to make my Chic Babe cowl. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.